Suppose you came across a selection checklist, like the one shown on Pinterest here. If you wanted to quickly enter these criteria, how would you do it? There are plenty of tools available, but I have found the easiest is stock analysis. You can set up a stock screen with all of these metrics. That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do right now. Sign into your stock analysis account, if not already signed in. Then on the left-hand navigation pane, choose Stocks and then Stock Screener. For this screen, we'll need the price-to-earnings ratio, also called the PE ratio, the price-to-book ratio, which is also the PB ratio, price-to-free cash flow, or price-to-FCF, the PEG ratio, return on invested capital, or ROIC, and the gross margin. The way you enter these metrics is by clicking on the Add Filter button. You'll get over 300 metrics to choose from. While it seems confusing at first, when you successfully add your first metric, adding the rest is done exactly the same way. So let's start by looking for the PE ratio in the search. As soon as you click on the checkbox to turn it on, it immediately adds the metric to the Stock Screener page. The filters update in real time, but since you have not added any criteria yet, it's selected all possible values, shown as any in the dropdown. There are certainly a few ways to do this, but I find the easiest is to enter in all your metrics first, and then change the values after. So we'll enter the PE ratio, the PB ratio, the P to FCF ratio, the PEG ratio, the ROIC, and the gross margin. For the PE ratio, you want to choose under 20. Each of the other metrics work the same way. Please proceed with the rest of the numbers from the Pinterest example. When completed, your screen should look similar to mine. Now that you have all the metrics added to match the values of the Pinterest example, the final step is to save the screen so that you can retrieve it anytime you want to run with these criteria. The way to accomplish saving your screen is to head to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where there is a drop-down called Save Screen. When you click on that, at the very top of the drop-down, you will see a prompt. Enter screen label and a save button. Enter the name of the screen and then hit the save button. The Pinterest metrics in this example will work with the free version of Stock Analysis. However, as you create other screens, you may find that some of the metrics are restricted. You will need a paying account to access those premium metrics. The good news is the regular price for Stock Analysis is affordable on its own. But through this video, I have arranged for you to get a free month. And if you use the coupon code CHARTS, CHARTS, all in caps, you'll get an extra 20% off. So you really have nothing to lose with this offer. See the comments to learn more about this offer.